55-inch pickup on it. It's a rock picker, 540 PTO. We didn't know, don't see many of these. Man, this thing really runs smooth. It's got the heavy-duty chains on it and stuff. We just wanted to see how everything works. You can see it spinning. I'm going to show you here. You pull that. We have to do the hydraulics. All right, so I thought the hydraulics work. When you do, though, if you don't have that off, it'll catch those rocks. You got to have those shut off in the right position. Guys, here's the intake. You see it working. Must have a slip clutch or something in there. See it here trying to work. I don't know if there's something in the gearbox. There is a slip clutch on this part, but you buy it for the reel not to work 100%. Okay. But I'll show you the hydraulics are working on the dump. I'm not sure what's going on there because it was running fine. But anyway, you're seeing that work. But this thing may need something done. I don't know if it's got a sheared bolt. I'm not sure what the deal is. It looked like it was turning coming out of there, but it wasn't. It was initially turning this, but this has non-factory welds on it right here. And there's some non-factory welding in different places. You can read what kind of gearbox, the carrier bearing, somebody's added that to it, a little different. So